floor. Our mouth and our asses are still on fire from that fucking bean boozle challenge. Man, I take back what I said about that at the start. I said it wasn't fucking Scooby. Shit the bed. Anyway, we've got a different video for you guys here now. We got a treat box. Carl's has got it for us. We have no idea where it's from. As always, we're gonna pick, rate what we think it is, what it's like.
We don't know where it's
US dollars.
Yeah, because
it could be from America, probably an American.
It's from America. It's an American company, but the
so it's not an American sweeties.
But the sweets are not American.
Okay.
It's like the one that you normally do.
So it says quantities. We've got 13 items in here, Dan. So let's, without further ado, I hate the feel of this fucking cloth thing as well. I'm a strange bastard. So we're gonna let you guys have a little look. That's what we've got. Oh. You can see the Taj Mahal. That means India. Ah, comes with a nice little welcome card. Welcome to India.
It's a postcard.
This month's treats come to you from India, an enormous country of 1.28 billion. 8 billion? People. Fucking hell. That's a few people, isn't it? Fucking hell.
Yes.
In South Asia, amongst the many things in India famous for, India stands out as a country rich in culture and history. Hitchy? Sorry guys, it's still that fucking... Yeah, that's a nice picture. Hitchy. That's a nice pitchy. Pitchy, it's a nice picture. Pitchy.
On that one.
Explore India. India facts. Population. The language they speak is Hindi, English, Bengali, Telugu. I hope I get this right. Tamil.
No.
Urdu. Many others.
I love India.
Capital.
What was that? That was not me.
Something tapped the door.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh hi, we're not doing one of them tonight. Right, the capital's New Delhi.
Come back tomorrow or some shit.
That's pretty cool, you know.
No.
All the signature dishes from India. Samosas are the streets.
Oh, is it a little recipe card?
Yeah, little ingredients.
Nice. I love samosas.
Samosas.
Actually, they're not bad.
Tell you what, we might do. Me and Dan might cook that and do a video.
13 floor cooks.
Tell us if you want to see one of those things. I don't know.
Enter
anything's better than the fucking. Oh, enter mystery box for a giveaway. So, what's inside your treat? Oh no, Dan, we're not supposed to look at that.
What's that on the bottom?
That's the cheat card.
What's that on the bottom?
I don't know, babe. You want to take that?
On the bottom.
I thought that was Bob.
Yeah, it's best word and weirdest. So, gives us the items, what they are, and if you tick them, what you think, you can win a prize.
Oh.
So, little prize. Oh,
I need Bob and cream. Oh, Bob and creams.
Oh, fuck off!
You gonna let them have a little look inside?
They're all biscuits.
It looks like biscuits, guys. Look, lots of biscuits. Oh, there might be a few little naughty treats on the bottom down there.
Ow.
Oh, is it dark chocolate?
Oh, yeah, no.
Chocolate. Right, there's two of these, Dan, so should we just start with one of these?
Hey.
Chocolate. Is it? It's not going to be like Turkish Delight, is it?
Can you pass me that?
Pure magic.
And then I can read what it is, like when you've tasted it.
Oh, what the hell?
That did not help, but never mind, Dave.
Right, so...
What is this?
Magic of molten choco enclosed in a crisp biscuit. Oh, this looks fucking tasty as shit, man. Hold on a minute, what, Carl's?
Yeah.
Wasn't the Indian stuff that I liked, the crackers and that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Solid 10. Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
That is a good start off.
It's like, what would you say the biscuit's like? It's like dark shortbread, isn't it? Something like that. The chocolate, gooey stuff.
Belgian chocolate.
Really?
Oh, that's what it says.
Nice. I'll give that an 8.
A biscuit with long crispy shell, along with a melted liquid chocolate centre.
8 for me.
Experience the taste of sweet Belgian chocolate.
For him.
You said 10.
Well, I'm changing that to biscuit texture.
You always rate it too quick.
Yeah.
Right, you choose. Let's try that one. What are they?
I want to try them last because they're probably going to be mints.
Well, if it's India, every time I go to an Indian restaurant, you can have a mint after dinner, don't you? They give you a mint. So, oh, good day.
We have butter cookies.
Well, they say good day in Australia.
Jesus.
I know they're not Australian. I see something. That sounds.
Stop looking at the
stupid.
box and just get on with what
Mate,
you're
that
doing.
looks fucking. Oh, what's that? I smell that. Come. Oh, don't remind me of.
Take care of butter biscuit.
Just a little butter biscuit, yeah. But overdone.
I think
butter
it's strong
biscuit.
since butter now, but like.
That tastes like I'm just eating margarine out of the tub.
It's unique in its own country.
That's
here.
fucking disgusting. Dude,
Well,
oh my god.
delicious crunchy butter cookie.
It just tastes, am I right? It just tastes like you put butter in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's fucking disgusting.
A bit of jam in that bad boy, it'll be fine.
Fuck off. A bit in the bin.
Let's eat all of it because yeah, all of it.
Throw in the bin. Wow.
Wrong.
I love me fucking jam rings and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm very skinny and muscly. So we're gonna have some treat Jim Jams. Naughty jam and the treat jams, Jim Jams. Guessing this is just like one of those, what we get here is, oh look at that Dan! Don't know why I said that. Comes in a little, nice little packet. Like that and that. I'm having that.
Oh.
Ready?
Well done.
That's so jammy.
Oh. Oh.
It says them biscuit Jim Jams are popular with kids in their for packed lunches in India. Take it as not nice.
What the fuck is that?
A crispy sandwich biscuits with thick vanilla cream topped with a dollop of jam and kissed with sugar crystals.
Oh.
Where the fuck did they get the jam? I just went cross-eyed for some reason.
What should have done? Nice, actually.
The biscuits is alright. The biscuit, like the base and that is alright, but that jam,
Mine's fine.
that tastes weird.
Mine was okay. I think. You just
Is it like really cheap, horrible, sugary jam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah. What did you rate them?
Put them in the front, the ones that you've done.
You didn't rate them.
7.
I mean, if that had like our jam or something, babes.
But then they'd just be our biscuits then, wouldn't they, Dave?
Yeah. It'd be pointless, wouldn't it? Yeah, I suppose. Parlay. G. On parlay. Petit pois. Even though it's got French.
Looks like it's
Export pack. So parlay.
William Mill.
Original gluco cookies. So
Well, we haven't showed them off.
good for diabetics, guys. You know, take these around. My brother's diabetic, so if he, I could just take these for him.
You know, Sean basket.
I used to do that when I was a kid, you know.
What you used to take?
But just in case he had a fit or anything, I used to make sure I
Apparently.
had chocolate or something.
They're one of the best-selling biscuits in the world that
Yeah.
you've got on your hand there.
One of the worst.
One of the best-selling
Can I
biscuits.
say worst? Oh my god. Oh no. Is there a butter
Oh, that looks like
Oh, it's a Milky.
Milky biscuit that we get, innit?
Oh.
That'd be quite nice for a cup of tea.
That's perfect. That.
Nice a dunk.
Yeah.
Apparently they're a source of strength for body and mind. The G stands for glucose and genus.
Great with a cup of tea, but I don't think you should eat too many of these.
I'm sure you could.
260 calories per cookie. Per cookie?
What?
How much?
260 calories in that.
Fuck the bed.
Jeez.
Yeah, jeez, Louise.
And the wonder why it's for my body.
Put put them back.
Just say, if you ever go to Mount Everest and you want to climb there and you feel hungry, take that. That's all you need. Soon be fucking running down the mountain again.
I need my pellet.
Can we just get them out of the way, those bourbons? Because you know I fucking hate bourbons.
I love bourbons. Have they orange flavour?
I hope they got a different flavour. That'd be nice. Oh
No.
no, that's not. That's like Turkish delight, is it? Like purple and orange or something.
Yeah. Joking.
Fuck off! You're just saying that on purpose.
Oh.
They're a bit lighter. They're a bit lighter. We went proper Somerset there, didn't you bastard? Where's my tractor?
He reminds me of Mr. Dumbo, to be honest. That voice. The tractor. Yeah. Actually, they smell nice. Oh, yeah.
They're strange.
They're biscuits, to be honest. I love them.
For the inside's nice, but the outside, what is that? I thought bourbons were dark.
It says 2 crunchy dark chocolate flavoured biscuits with a smooth and rich chocolate cream filling.
Dark chocolate? Where's dark biscuit?
Well, that's what it says,
Yeah,
dark
put it in the oven.
chocolate.
No, that's horrible.
No, it says... It doesn't even say dark chocolate, it says chocolate creme.
Yeah, I know. I don't understand that either, but...
How is that dark chocolate when it says on the back it says chocolate?
Right, Dan, do you want some crackers or should we have another cookie?
Crackjack.
Yeah, should we have a crackjack?
Yeah.
These might be nice for some cheese, you know. The original sweet and salty crackers. Now, I like their sweet and salty crackers.
They're actually good. Yeah,
I can't fucking talk! Sweet and salt crackies.
Crackers!
Just open them, will you?
Sweet and
It's been a
salty
long day.
crackers.
It's one of India's best loved treats.
Well, I like the 50-50 ones, the salt and the sweet, so I'm probably going to like these. Yeah, come on, boy. Oh, yeah, They're like fucking, cheesy, cheddar cheese things. Cheddars. Cheddars.
The cheese and shit.
Grits.
Ritz!
Shit, Ritz.
Shit!
Well,
Come down with me.
pow in, pow out, that was fun.
Oh, got a bit of cheese on that. Later, I will. Oh my god.
That is, it goes pow in and pow out. It's just like,
You get the lovely saltiness,
it doesn't just do anything, it just stays.
and then you get like a lovely little sweetness at the end. Oh,
That is,
mate, their crackers are fucking better than ours.
that is perfection. That should be in a little catchphrase.
We should have
on
those
a
crackers,
t-shirt.
shouldn't we?
Pow in, pow out.
We should have those crackers.
Well, we do,
Yeah.
we've got Ritz. there's
No, I
some-
mean these crackers, like from India.
In
Yeah, no, but
general,
Ritz
they
are kind of the
actually
same
boss.
thing, aren't they?
They're not.
They are, salty and sweet.
Never tasted them, mate.
For a Ritz and that, they're better than Ritz. I'm telling you now.
But we just had crackers down, so I'm guessing. Oh, look, they're little. Oh, I want these. Little classic. Oh, I can't speak. Dad, tell them what they are.
Classic
Classic crackers.
crackers.
I said it then. It must be when I hold everything. I get nervous. Oh, what are they?
Oh,
Oh no, I just thought we just had crackers. Have some water first, Dan.
Oh yeah.
In me Rick Stein.
Thirst up. That's how to get myself to
I
level.
use this for water only.
Beer's time.
Don't put it on this cloth. I hate the feeling. Oh.
What was that,
Do you
Dave?
need?
That was
I am
awesome.
not
You've got
drinking
a English.
out of a water cup. I mean a water tub thingy. Okay. It's not one of those things where you just go with the food.
I'm so laughed as that lid flew off then. Go on, try your cracker.
Cracker. Okay.
Oh no.
Alright. Oh my god.
That's nice.
Woohoo!
Give them a 9, maybe a 9.5.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're salted crackers, them ones.
I know.
No, but you didn't tell anyone what they
They're
taste
better than ours. I'm not even bullshitting, aren't they?
It's so like I can't describe
They
it.
don't stick to your mouth like cheddar.
It's like a pillow.
A cheddar pillow.
But when you know when you buy a new pillow, but you just go.
Oh, and it just bounces.
Yeah, it bounces back.
After a while,
That
it just goes,
texture
"Fuck."
is just like whoa.
Yeah. Right, we've
Like
got 2
velvet,
more
isn't it?
items, guys. But let's go for these ones, Dan. Or do you want to try these ones first? This one. Got some chocolate chip cookies.
Well, I hope they're nicer
Ooh.
than our ones.
They look quite. With.
I think they're companies.
They might not be nice.
I think they're
I
similar.
hate companies when they always try.
I think they're a drug version of Maryland.
Because it says with 30% more chocolatey taste, so they've added. Means they weren't good in the first place. Do you ever find that?
Hey, look,
if you ever see that
down.
and you get a bit like,
Upside down.
it's alright, I like upside down, mate.
Poo. Upside
It's
down.
just little cookies. Grab yourself a cookie. Oh, they're like
Yee.
sandwich
They're
cookies.
fucking stuck
Oh, they're
together.
not.
Well, I forgot to. Go on.
Woo! Why did they put swirls on the top of their biscuits?
I don't know why. Each bite.
No, I thought so.
You got each bite in it.
I wondered when I saw that with 30% more chocolatey taste. When I see that on packets, it means the first time they didn't get it right. And the second time they haven't got it right either.
That's nice to know.
It's not. It's got a funny fucking taste. It must be their chocolate, actually. It's really sort of, tastes like hot chocolate. It's weird.
Mm.
It's like hot chocolatey sort of. It's like little bits in my mouth as well, like from the chocolate.
The biscuit is hot chocolate, but the rest of it's like no chocolate.
Yeah, but it ain't, if you know what I mean. It's not supposed
But
to be that.
it won't clash together to make some kind of chocolate thingy.
Cookie.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
4 for me.
Who sits there and goes, I want to make a cookie out of fucking hot chocolate and put chocolate pieces in it.
Last item got. Oh no, we got these 2 random sweetie things as well. So, put that.
I thought this could be Turkish Delight in that.
Tonsillitis.
Turkish Delight.
Oh well, thank God there wasn't.
I love Turkish Delight.
When's your snack box coming? What year is that coming?
I don't know.
We ordered it about 4 months ago. Should be here in about another 4 months, guys. Keep look out.
It's in space, guys. It's come from space, so don't worry.
Oh, not astronaut food, is it? No more astronaut food, please.
Come directly from a planet called Mars.
What is it with you and Japanese food? You just don't like it, do you?
Nah, it doesn't clash.
Their juices are weird though, but they're nice.
The little
Some of them
ball-
are nice.
The little ball things are weird.
Well, that
You
other
pop that
thing.
in.
Oh, what's this?
I thought they were wafers.
Yeah, same here.
They are wafers. Let me guess, they're dried out wafers and a biscuit.
Apparently, if you eat 4 of those biscuits, it's like drinking a glass of milk.
Oh yeah.
It's got the same amount of nutrients. Apparently, what's what it says here.
They're all right. It does taste like quite a lot of milk. Yeah, you're right. You can taste the bastard in that. I just don't like drinking milk, guys. And for that, even eating it as well.
It's too sugary.
Do I like a lot of things?
No.
I don't think I like anything, do I really? I'm just a miserable bastard. Oh, it's a little fucking sweetie with a joke or something. No?
He loves the sausages though. Don't you?
I love my sausages. It's just a little cherry sweetie.
But
It's got the words
Actually, it says
RSE on it.
Don't say anything.
Pan,
Tell us what it is, babe.
a sand.
Shush.
It's not hot, is it?
Go on.
Tell me if it's hot first.
What is that?
Has a flavour of pan. A uniquely Indian flavour with a sweet and spicy taste.
It's Turkish Delight.
Often enjoyed as an after dinner treat because of its
Yeah.
fresh and sweet flavour.
Turkish Delight.
It's supposed to be sweet and spicy at the same
I'm
time.
tasting Turkish Delight in here.
Is it sweet and spicy?
It's Turkish Delight.
don't know what he's tasting.
It's got Turkish delight. It's horrible.
Unless they're having a different flavour of each one.
Here's the bed. What is that?
Honestly, it's alright, to be honest.
It's not. It's not for me. Anybody else? Yeah, try it. So, Dan, all in all, how have you felt this Indian box has been? 0?
No, wait a minute.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Might need to
Go
go.
get some padding on your seat.
Alright, to be honest.
Right, rate it out of 10, Dan, for the whole box.
8.
I'd give it a 7, just because it's let down by some of the items, like the Milky,
Oh,
the buttery fucking biscuits. It's like put butter in your mouth. And the crackers and that. Their crackers are fucking. They're coming with me. So they're alright, those crackers.
it would have been better if the Milky stuff tasted one like the cracker's supposed to be, like the biscuit's supposed to be, rather than what it's not supposed to be.
I like it that you get a little recipe in there.
Oh yeah, I like
So
that.
you
I think
can
it's
cook
sweet
something.
and stuff, yeah.
And like a picture of of where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. But
A bit more interesting.
on a whole, yeah. Crackers are delicious. Chocolate's just not for me, guys. Probably just like every box you see me in. I don't eat.
Oh, and this box was only in dollars. I think it was $34.99.
It says 24 in
So
here.
that's
but
25 quid in
In
English
pounds, it's $24.99,
So yeah.
and it's free shipping.
24, actually, Mum, USD.
Oh, it's 24 US dollars, babes.
Oh, sorry then. Oh,
24.95.
oh, so it's £19 in our pounds, and it was free shipping.
When did you become a calculator?
I just remember buying it.
Alexa!
I just remember buying it.
Right.
I'll
so
link it in the. Alexa, be quiet.
I don't know that one. Fucking thing. Right.
I'll link all the information in the description for you.
Carls will do all the shit that she needs to. We've been 13th floor. Please like and subscribe and comment, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. Monster 2.